Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. 0.17 Ways to relieve stomach gas fast. Many people want to know how to remove gas from the stomach instantly, particularly those with chronic conditions like constipation or irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. While over-the-counter medications can be very effective for this, there are natural remedies that can also help treat gas as well. /r/n/r/n These not only include herbal remedies like ginger, anise, and peppermint but also self-care therapies like yoga, deep breathing, and heating pads. Sometimes even adjusting your bathroom habits can help. /r/n/r/n/Verywell. Joshua Seongrnrn Sipping hot water warms the stomach and stimulates the wave-like contractions of the digestive tract, called peristalsis. The contraction can help push trapped gas from the colon and even help ease cramping and pain. /r/n/r/n You don't need to drink scalding water, rather, temperatures between 140 and 150 degrees Fahrenheit are ideal, the same temperature you usually sip tea at. /r/n/r/n Spearmint, chamomile, ginger, peppermint, and anise teas are all known to help get rid of gas naturally and may help amplify peristalsis if you suffer from gas. /r/n/r/n That said, avoid anise if you have recurring diarrhea since it may have a mild laxative effect. This can be helpful, however, if you think constipation is adding to your gas pains. /r/n/r/n Apple cider vinegar is another natural ingredient used by many people to relieve gas, bloating, and indigestion. Simply add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to a cup of tea or warm water. You can drink this mixture regularly or any time you feel gassy. /r/n/r/n Fennel seeds are known for relieving intestinal gas naturally. An amount thought to be safe is around 1 teaspoon. Try chewing the seeds to see if that helps. /r/n/r/n There are some concerns regarding the safety of fennel while pregnant or breastfeeding. In such cases, it may be best to play it safe and choose a different option to get rid of gas. /r/n/r/n Peppermint supplements are often used to treat gastrointestinal symptoms such as bloating and gas. Look for peppermint oil in enteric-coated capsules that can help you avoid stomach upset that can sometimes occur. /r/n/r/n You can also try eating candies made with real peppermint or sipping peppermint tea. Peppermint oil frequently used for the treatment of IBS can also be purchased online and added to water. /r/n/r/n Peppermint may prevent your body from absorbing iron, so avoid it if you are taking iron supplements to treat iron deficiency anemia. /r/n/r/n Ginger helps reduce fermentation in the stomach, which may help relieve gas and bloating. You can take ginger supplements or drink ginger tea. Arguably, the best way to consume ginger is in your food. Try adding it to savory dishes or eating slices of pickled ginger. /r/n/r/n Baking soda can help neutralize stomach acid and relieve painful bloating, particularly during pregnancy. Try drinking an 8-ounce glass of water with half teaspoon of dissolved baking soda. /r/n/r/n It is important not to use baking soda for the long term or to take more than half teaspoon at a time since this can cause an imbalance of electrolytes and symptoms like irregular heartbeats. /r/n/r/n Abdominal massage can stimulate your digestive system and help gas move down and out of your body. Press down gently on the painful area and rub in circular motions in the direction of your colon. You can perform this on someone with gas pains or on yourself. /r/n/r/n Activated charcoal is a porous form of charcoal with tiny spaces that help trap gas. Taking activated charcoal before or after meals may help prevent painful gas. /r/n/r/n Activated charcoal can cause constipation, diarrhea, nausea, or vomiting if overused, so always start with smaller doses. Be aware that activated charcoal can turn your stool black, which may surprise you, but it's otherwise harmless. /r/n/r/n clove oil may help relieve gas, bloating, and indigestion. Try taking a clove oil capsule after meals to stimulate digestive enzymes and reduce the production of gas. /r/n/r/n clove oil should not be used in children. Even small amounts may cause severe side effects such as seizures and liver damage. /r/n/r/n gentle exercise can help ease gas pain by actively encouraging the movement of the intestines. Walking is arguably the easiest option since you can do it practically anytime, anywhere. Jogging and cycling are also useful. /r/n/r/n ultimately, any exercise that causes the compression and extension of the intestines can help release gas. This includes calisthenic exercises like /r/n/r/n. Be sure to keep well hydrated by drinking water during and after your workout. The water can also help soften stool and relieve constipation. /r/n/r/n yoga is another great option if you have space and privacy. Several yoga poses, such as the child pose, Balasana, and happy baby pose, Ananda Balasana, can relieve trapped gas by gently twisting and bending the intestines. /r/n/r/n others that may help include, /r/n/r/n deep breathing may help relieve gas, but you will need to practice before you'll be able to use this technique. /r/n/r/n since deep breathing from the diaphragm is so effective for reducing stress, it's worth taking the time to learn how to do it. You can then use this breathing technique as needed for future gas attacks. With practice, you will be able to do it wherever you are, in any position. /r/n/r/n if trapped gas is causing you pain, don't worry about modesty. Instead, go to a private place and allow yourself to pass gas/break wind/fart. Or, find a bathroom to relieve yourself. The less gas there is in your system, the less likely it will cause you pain. /r/n/r/n trapped gas is painful because it creates pressure in your digestive tract. Gas that builds up in your stomach or the left side of your colon, large intestine, can feel like chest pain. Gas that builds up on the right side of your colon can feel like appendicitis pain. /r/n/r/n to help release gas, try lying on your left side. This follows the natural flow of gas in the large intestine and may help release it more easily. /r/n/r/n if you have painful gas and bloating, it may be because it is trapped behind stool. The best advice in this case is to sit on the toilet and allow yourself plenty of time to have a bowel movement. Oftentimes, the very action of sitting will send signals to the brain that it's time to go. /r/n/r/n however, it's important not to rush or strain, give yourself time. If you are seriously constipated, you may speed this along by eating extra dietary fiber or taking an osmotic laxative. If you are truly struggling with gas pain, you can try using an enema to flush out hardened stool. /r/n/r/n some people find that over-the-counter, OTC, products like simethicone and Bino are very effective in relieving gas. /r/n/r/n brand names for simethicone include, /r/n/r/n Bino is another product that contains the digestive enzyme alpha-galactosidase. This can help if you are prone to gas after eating beans or certain kinds of vegetables. /r/n/r/n if you get gas after consuming dairy products, try taking Lactaid, which contains a digestive enzyme that breaks down lactose in dairy and prevents it from fermenting in the gut. Bino also breaks down certain carbs into simple sugars, which may be a problem if you have diabetes. /r/n/r/n heating pads can be soothing and help to relax the muscles in your gut enough to release pain. You can use a heating pad or hot water bottle, or simply relax in a hot bath. /r/n/r/n if you use a heating pad or hot water bottle, put a cloth barrier between your skin and the pad to prevent burns. If you have frequent gas pain, consider taking a heating pad with you to work. /r/n/r/n The best way to deal with gas and bloating is to identify the cause and take steps to prevent it from happening. /r/n/r/n One of the most common culprits is swallowing too much air. To prevent excessive air swallowing, avoid things like /r/n/r/n Another way to prevent gas is to identify and avoid foods that cause gas. This can vary from person to person, but some of the more common culprits include /r/n/r/n Dairy products such as milk, cheese, ice cream, and yogurt can also cause gas in people who are lactose intolerant and don't naturally produce the enzymes needed to break them down. /r/n/r/n Another strategy is to avoid foods classified as FODMAPs, fermentable oligosaccharides, disaccharides, monosaccharides, and polyols. These are types of dietary sugars that are hard to break down and end up fermenting in the colon. FODMAP diets are often followed by people with IBS to better control gas, bloating, and abdominal pain. /r/n/r/n Gas pain shouldn't last more than a few hours. Contact your healthcare provider if your pain does not improve within 24 to 48 hours or if you have had painful bloating for more than 2 days. /r/n/r/n For milder gas, there are some things you can do to relieve your symptoms at home. Relieving yourself as soon as you need to pass gas or have a bowel movement, walking, applying heat, and taking deep breaths can all help relieve gas pain. /r/n/r/n You may also find OTC remedies and supplements helpful. But talk to your healthcare provider before taking them to be sure they are safe for your situation. /r/n/r/n rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.